There are 6 licenses for Creative Commons. The first license is Attribution CC BY. This license lets others distribute, remix, tweak, and build upon your work, even commercially, as long as they credit you for the original work. This is the most accommodating of licenses offered. The second license is Attribution Sharealike CC BY SA. This license lets others remix, tweak, and build upon your work even for commercial purposes, as long as they credit you and license their new creations under the identical terms. This license is often compared to copyleft, free and open source software licenses. The third license is Attribution No Derivatives CC BY ND. This license allows for redistribution, commercial and non-commercial, as long as it is passed along unchanged and in whole, with credit to you. The fourth license is Attribution Non-Commercial CC BY NC. This license lets others remix, tweak, and build upon your work non-commercially, and although their new works must also acknowledge you and be non-commercial, they don't have to be licensed. The fifth license is Attribution Non-Commercial Sharealike CC BY NC SA. And this license lets others remix, tweak, and build upon your work non-commercially, as long as they credit you and license their new creations under the identical terms. And the last license is Attribution Non-Commercial No Derivatives CC BY NC ND. And this license is the most restrictive of all 6 licenses, and only allows others to download your works and share them with others as long as they credit you. But they can't change them in any way or use them commercially.